We are sorry to interrupt your programming on this Clayranger503 network channel. The following is only a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. Equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of emergencies is currently being tested. If this had been an actual emergency such as a red flag warning, important details would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. We now resume normal programming on this Clayranger503 network channel.